Hello friends. Have you ever noticed your car losing power while driving, or does it feel like the turbo isn't working properly? Maybe the check engine light is on, and after scanning you see code P0229. What does this mean? Is your turbocharger failing, or is there an issue with the sensors? Let's break it down and fix it step by step. P0229 stands for turbocharger, supercharger, a overboost condition. This means the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected that the turbo or supercharger is producing too much boost pressure. Excessive boost can damage the engine, so the ECM puts the car into limp mode to prevent further harm. Symptoms of P0229, check engine light, CL, is on, loss of power or acceleration, turbo lag or reduced boost, engine going into limp mode, whining or hissing noise from the turbocharger. If left unfixed, this can lead to serious engine damage or even a blown turbo. To diagnose and fix P0229, you need to check these key components. Boost pressure sensor, usually located on the intake manifold or intercooler pipe. Turbocharger wastegate solenoid, found near the turbocharger, usually connected to the wastegate actuator. MAP sensor, which stands for manifold absolute pressure sensor, mounted on the intake manifold. And finally, vacuum lines and boost hoses. Check all vacuum hoses, intercooler pipes, and connections for leaks. If any of these components are faulty or blocked, they can cause P0229. Sticking or faulty wastegate. If the wastegate doesn't open properly, the turbo will produce too much boost. Boost pressure sensor failure. A bad sensor can send incorrect data to the ECM, triggering P0229. Leaking or blocked vacuum lines, cracked hoses can disrupt boost control. Dirty or malfunctioning MAP sensor. If the MAP sensor sends wrong signals, the ECM might miscalculate boost levels. And finally, turbocharger malfunction. A damaged or worn-out turbo can cause overboost conditions. Step 1. Inspect and test the boost pressure sensor using an obd2 scanner. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Check the wastegate and actuator for movement. If stuck, clean or replace them. Step 3. Inspect all vacuum lines, intercooler hoses, and turbo piping for leaks or cracks. Step 4. Clean or replace the MAP sensor if it's clogged with carbon deposits. And Step 5. Reset the ECM using an obd2 scanner and take a test drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0229 can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential engine damage. Fixing it will restore your car's boost power and efficiency. If you're not comfortable diagnosing it yourself, visit a trusted mechanic for further inspection. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos: P0167, heated oxygen sensor heater circuit malfunction, and P0168, fuel temperature too high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.